In this video, you'll learn how to create a Claude Code account. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your account and gain access to Claude Code's features. Start by opening your preferred web browser, such as Chrome or Edge. Once the browser is open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen. Enter the URL https://claude.ai and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you directly to the Claude Code homepage. When the page loads, look for the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the screen. If you already have an account, you can click Login instead. For new users, click on Sign Up to proceed with account creation. You will be presented with options to sign up using a Google account, an Apple account, or your email address. Choose the method that suits you best. If you opt to sign up with your email, you may be prompted to fill in additional information. Complete the required fields and submit your information. It's important to note that in some regions, you may be redirected to the Anthropic console for account creation. This is a normal part of the process, so there is no need for concern. After signing up with an email, check your inbox for a verification email from Claude Code. Open this email and follow the instructions provided to verify your account. This step is crucial as it confirms your email address and activates your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Claude Code homepage at cloud.ai. Look for the login button and click it. Enter your credentials as prompted. After successfully logging in, you can now use Claude Code directly in your browser. If you prefer using the command prompt or terminal version, your newly created account will also allow you to log in there. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.